All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Chevy Express. It is a, what is it, like a 12-passenger van or 15-passenger van? It's beautiful white with gray cloth interior, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's got cruise control. Super nice, only 14,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. It is a chrome bumper as well, guys. That's awesome. Normally they come in the black color, like that Ford right there. All right, hood looks good, fender looks good. Front front driver's steel wheel. Your tire through this over 30 seconds. This door looks great. This entire quarter looks nice all the way around. This is your rear driver's side steel wheel, and your tire thread over 30 seconds. Yeah. All right. This two doors look great. Chrome bumper as well. I pulled this ladder out here because really the only damage to talk about is up here on this roof. And there it is. You see, like, got a little dent here. And then here, let me pull this camera back. Boom. Here, it's got a large dent, as you can see. From here to here, 10 or more inches. All right, and that's some scuffing that way. And maybe another little dent over there. So I'll say a roof dent, 10 or more. Just to engulf all that out there. All right, there's another close-up of it. I don't want to hear anybody saying that we're deceptive with our videos. All right. Now, for the car, you got power windows, power door locks. I don't know where the power mirrors are. I'm sure you could find them. Got your cruise control right there. Here's your front passenger seat. Front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, and rips. Looks good. Let's see, maybe it doesn't have power mirrors. No power mirrors, guys. Alright. Got your AM FM CD player. Does it have an Onyx? Maybe if it has an Onyx, folks. Got your AC controls right there. Got cup holders. Got your manuals. You got your rear AC controls as well. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage. 1481. Got your cruise control right there. You got your stuff here to navigate that. Super nice. Keep moving. Lights on. Alright. Keep moving around here. Rear bumper. Rear doors swing out just like a freaking very nice. This is what one of these looks like. Pow. This is your back. Boom. And that side. Very nice. Alright. This quarter looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. Tire thread. Over 30 seconds. These doors look great. These doors, if you push this down, it has grease on it, so I don't want to do it. But if you push these things down, they move out. Here's what one of your seats look like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on the rear seat. Well, on the next one. And on this seat. Alright, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15 passenger. And a rear AC vent. There's another one on that hump over there. Alright, so you got one AC vent, two AC vents, 3, and then the rear anyway in the back. There's another one. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender here looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. Tire third is at 30 seconds. Lights. A working car is great, folks. Once again, the 2017 Chevy Express 15-passenger van with We're 14,000 miles. You guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.